Yo, what's up, foodie fam? We are going to go get. I'm thinking some Jack in the Box, but I also want to go to Carl's Jr. for those spicy chicken sandwiches. You know what? Yeah, let's go to Carl's Jr. Today we're gonna do Carl's Jr. We'll do Jack in the Box some other day. So y'all about to go with me. Let's go on this journey, all right? Here we go. Man, today is my Friday, y'all. My Friday. Well, maybe. I might come into work tomorrow, but we're gonna see how that plays out. Don't forget to look both ways. All right, let's go. I'm really excited for this break, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. I'm so hungry. I ate last night before going to bed, but I'm real hungry. I didn't eat breakfast this morning before I left home like I usually do. That's all right though. That's all right, y'all. We're gonna go up to this Carl's Jr. right here, right up the street from my job, y'all. And we're gonna try to get these spicy chicken sandwiches. Not the lights. Be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. We almost there. We about to turn into the parking lot right now. Oh, and it's not packed. It is not packed, y'all. I love an empty parking lot when I'm trying to get some foodie. I love an empty parking lot. I love an empty drive-through. I won't lie to you. Like whenever I go to In-N-Out and I see that line, terrible. All right, let's see if they still got this deal going on.
Good morning. Hey, would you like to try a new breakfast burger today?
Good morning. No, not today. I have a question. Do you guys still have that deal with the spicy chicken sandwiches? I think it was like 2 for $6 or something like that.
Yeah, we don't have that deal here.
Oh, you guys don't?
No, we don't.
Dang. Okay, in that case, let me get the spicy chicken sandwich combo, please.
Spicy chicken sandwich combo? Would that be the large combo?
No, medium's fine.
And what drink would you like with that?
A cherry Coke, please.
A cherry Coke with that. Okay, what else can I get for you today?
That's gonna be it.
Would you like to have poppers or French toast by any chance?
No, not this morning.
Soda's gonna come out to $8.96. Last one, I'll have you have to scan for rewards. Thank you.
Thank you. Dang, y'all. They ain't got the deal here. Say, man, that's right, man. I can't with y'all, Carl's Jr. Hold on, y'all. They said, nah, they don't got that deal here. What? Well, at least we still got it. At least we still got the combo. Oh, man. It's a cold day today, y'all. Cold day today. Hopefully this chicken sandwich warms the brother up, because I cannot do it. All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Thank you. Gotta make sure I ask for some barbecue because last time I came, they didn't give me no barbecue. And I'm gonna make sure they give me that thing, you know? Dang. Taking forever, yo. Okay, here she comes, here she comes. I'm getting excited for my food, though. Can I get some barbecue, please?
No, we don't have that stuff right here.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a few. Let me get back up to this job real quick. All right, y'all. We back. Secured the bag. So now we're about to see if everything is in the bag that I asked for. Okay. Okay, they gave me 2 sauces, 2 barbecue, got the French fry, and there she is. All right, y'all. I don't want to waste no more. I'm hungry and it's time to eat. So make sure you're watching in the next video. I got something I want to show y'all too. So yeah, stay tuned.